Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel dedicated to exploring the frontiers of technology and finance. As we kick off this video, I want to talk about something that's not just trending but absolutely revolutionizing how we think about money: generating consistent monthly income through the synergy of AI and cryptocurrency. Imagine a world where your investments aren't just sitting there, they're actively working, adapting and growing thanks to intelligent systems that operate around the clock. We're talking about AI algorithms predicting market moves, autonomous agents handling transactions on your behalf, and decentralized networks rewarding you passively every single month. This isn't science fiction, it's happening right now, with AI-related crypto trends exploding in adoption and creating real wealth opportunities for everyday people like you and me. In fact, the AI crypto sector has seen institutional investments surpassing $50 billion, fueling projects that blend machine learning with blockchain in ways that were unimaginable just a few years ago. In this comprehensive 20-minute guide, we'll dissect the latest technical details behind these trends, including the hottest AI crypto projects that are capturing investor attention, the compelling narratives surrounding AI agents operating within blockchain ecosystems, and the specific cryptocurrencies that are surging in value precisely because of their deep AI integrations. We'll go beyond the surface, diving into the code-level mechanics, consensus protocols, and economic models that make these innovations tick. And most importantly, we'll tie it all back to practical strategies you can implement today to start earning monthly income, whether that's through staking rewards, subscription-based tools, or automated trading setups. If you're someone who's curious about passive income, tired of traditional jobs, or just excited about the future of tech, this video is tailored for you. Stick around till the end for actionable steps, and if you're as pumped as I am, go ahead and hit that like button right now, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on future deep dives. Alright, let's not waste any more time. Buckle up as we unpack the basics first. To really appreciate these trends, we need to start with the foundational basics of how AI and crypto are converging to unlock new avenues for income generation in 2026. Artificial intelligence at its core refers to computational systems that can perform tasks requiring human-like intelligence, such as pattern recognition, decision-making, and natural language processing. This is powered by techniques like machine learning, where algorithms train on large datasets to improve accuracy over time, often using frameworks such as TensorFlow or PyTorch. On the other side, cryptocurrency encompasses digital assets secured by cryptography and managed on decentralized ledgers known as blockchains, which ensure transparency, immutability, and resistance to censorship through consensus mechanisms like proof of stake or proof of work. When these two worlds collide, we get AI-crypto convergence, AI enhancing blockchain efficiency, and blockchain providing a trustless environment for AI operations. Technically speaking, this involves integrating AI models with smart contracts, self-executing code on chains like Ethereum, where AI can analyze on-chain data for predictive insights or automate actions via oracles that bridge off-chain information. For income generation, this convergence shines in creating passive, recurring revenue streams. Consider monthly income as regular payouts that accrue without constant intervention, such as staking rewards distributed every 30 days or subscription fees from AI tools billed automatically. In 2026, market analyses indicate that AI is amplifying crypto yields by up to 30 to 50% through advanced optimization, with the total addressable market for decentralized AI projected to exceed $100 billion. Key enablers include zero-knowledge proofs, which allow verifiable computations without revealing sensitive data, ensuring privacy in AI-driven trades. Oracles like Chainlink feed real-time data into AI models, preventing inaccuracies from stale information. Decentralized storage solutions, such as IPFS, store massive datasets for AI training without central points of failure. This setup not only reduces costs, think gas fees optimized by AI route finders, but also democratizes access, allowing anyone with a wallet to participate. For example, an AI model could dynamically allocate funds across DeFi protocols based on liquidity predictions, compounding earnings monthly. However, success hinges on understanding risks like model biases or network congestion. Overall, this foundation sets the stage for scalable income. Start with small stakes, let AI handle the heavy lifting, and watch monthly rewards roll in. With that groundwork laid, let's explore the first major trend driving this explosion. Let's kick off with the first major trend, the hottest AI crypto projects that are gaining significant traction in 2026, complete with their underlying technical foundations. These projects aren't just buzzing on social media, they're backed by robust architectures solving key challenges in AI and blockchain. At the forefront is Bittensor, symbolized by its TAO token. Bittensor creates a decentralized marketplace for machine intelligence, where participants run nodes that contribute to a global neural network. Its proof of intelligence consensus mechanism evaluates contributions through UMA consensus, a novel algorithm that scores models based on utility in subnets. These are specialized subnetworks dedicated to specific AI tasks, like natural language processing or computer vision. With a fixed supply cap of 21 million tokens, mimicking Bitcoin's scarcity, Bittensor incentivizes quality over quantity, and as of January 2026, it's reported over 67% year-to-date gains, with thousands of active validators. Next up is Fetch.ai, now part of the Artificial Superintelligence Alliance with its FET token. This project focuses on autonomous economic agents, built on the Cosmos SDK for interoperability. Agents are programmed using Python-based scripts that interact via a multi-agent system, leveraging reinforcement learning to optimize tasks like supply chain management or automated trading. The recent merger with Ocean Protocol has integrated data marketplaces, where datasets are tokenized and traded securely using ERC-20 standards on Ethereum-compatible chains. Render Network, with RNDR, decentralizes GPU rendering for AI and graphics workloads. Users connect via the Octane Render client, contributing compute power to a Solana-based network that processes jobs in parallel, rewarding contributors with RNDR tokens proportional to Octane benchmarks, a measure of rendering speed. This has exploded with the rise of generative AI, offering up to 32% returns for providers. Near Protocol emerges as a blockchain optimized for AI, employing Nightshade sharding to achieve high throughput, processing thousands of transactions per second. Its Intense framework allows users to define goals, which AI agents fulfill using WASM-compiled smart contracts. SingularityNet's AGIX operates an OpenAI services marketplace on Cardano, where developers deploy models as microservices, rated by a reputation system powered by quadratic voting. Requests are routed via a daemon that handles token payments for inferences, ensuring fair compensation. Ocean Protocol's Ocean enables data tokenization, where data owners mint data tokens, ERC-20 assets granting access, secured by predicate encryption for privacy-preserving sharing. The Graphs GRT powers decentralized indexing, with subgraphs acting as APIs for blockchain data, queried by AI models using GraphQL for efficient retrieval. Gila Labs introduces an AI-native Layer 1 blockchain, with modular components for agent orchestration using a directed acyclic graph (DAG) structure for scalability. Injective's INJ supports finance-specific AI through WASM virtual machines, allowing custom model deployments for derivatives pricing. These projects are traction leaders because they tackle AI's centralization issues, proprietary data silos versus open tokenized incentives, with market caps in the billions and growing ecosystems. For instance, Bittensor's subnets have hosted over 50 specialized AI models, drawing developers worldwide. This technical depth not only drives adoption but positions them as income generators through staking and participation rewards. Now, shifting focus to the second trend, the compelling narratives surrounding AI agents in blockchain, which are captivating the community in 2026. AI agents are essentially self-operating software programs that pursue objectives independently, using tools like APIs or smart contracts to interact with the environment. In blockchain contexts, the narrative centers on agentic economies, where these agents form a web of autonomous interactions, free from human oversight. A key storyline is agent-to-agent commerce, facilitated by protocols such as X4002 for seamless micropayments, allowing agents to exchange value in fractions of a cent using stablecoins like USDC. Technically, this requires persistent state management, agents maintaining memory across sessions via on-chain storage, and advanced reasoning capabilities, often powered by large language models fine-tuned for blockchain tasks. The Know Your Agent (KYA) framework is pivotal here. It provides cryptographic identities, linking agents to human principles with defined permissions, preventing fraud and enabling compliance. Without KYA, platforms might reject agent interactions due to liability. With it, agents can sign transactions securely using elliptic curve cryptography. Projects like Ritual are building sovereign chains for on-chain AI inference, where models run in trusted execution environments, TEEs, like Intel SGX, verifying outputs with zero-knowledge proofs to ensure tamper-proof results. Fetch.ai exemplifies this with its agent framework, where bots negotiate and pay for services using the ASI token, integrated across Cosmos hubs for cross-chain operability. In DeFi, agents employ zero-knowledge virtual machines, ZKVMs, to perform private computations, such as portfolio optimizations, without exposing holdings, slashing verification costs by orders of magnitude compared to traditional VMs. Voice AI narratives are surging, with investments in multimodal agents that handle spoken commands for crypto trades, standardized by protocols like Google's Agent Protocol 2, AP2 for fiat-to-crypto ramps. Privacy enhancements via fully homomorphic encryption, FHE, allow agents to compute on encrypted data, preserving user anonymity in sensitive applications like health data analysis on-chain. Robotics integration is another hot narrative. Agents controlling physical devices, co-owning assets through decentralized autonomous organizations, DEOs, built on Peak's modular SDK, which supports IoT blockchain bridges. Prediction markets are evolving with AI agents as oracles, aggregating signals from diverse sources for hyper-accurate forecasts, rewarded via token incentives. The shift from monolithic AI to wrapped ensembles, agents composing and evaluating submodels, is emphasized, with micropayments compensating contributors in real time. This addresses the invisible tax on the web, where value extraction by centralized platforms is replaced by direct, blockchain-verified rewards. In 2026, interoperability standards like IBC, inter-blockchain communication, are accelerating agent mobility across chains, unlocking trillions in potential economic activity. These narratives aren't just stories. They're backed by technical roadmaps, with agent adoption tripling quarterly, driven by efficiency gains in sectors like supply chains and finance. Building on that, our third trend examines cryptocurrencies that are gaining immense attention specifically through AI integration in 2026. These are established coins evolving with AI to enhance functionality, scalability, and user experience. Solana leads with its high-speed architecture, now augmented by AI via the Firedancer validator client, which uses machine learning to predict and mitigate network congestion, pushing throughput beyond 1 million transactions per second. This makes it perfect for AI agent swarms, with ecosystems like Ton Blockchain hosting bots that generate millions in monthly revenue through automated games and trades. Chainlink's Link token is indispensable for AI, providing decentralized oracles that supply verified data feeds to models, integrated via Cross-Chain Interoperability Protocol, CCIP, for seamless multi-chain operations. Staking Link offers yields up to 124% in pre-sale phases, attracting AI developers needing reliable inputs. Ethereum, the granddaddy of smart contracts, incorporates AI through zkEVM rollups, enabling verifiable machine learning proofs that confirm model integrity without full recomputation. Layer 2 solutions like Arbitrum optimize fees for AI workloads, such as batch processing inferences. XRP from Ripple gains traction with AI-driven analytics for cross-border payments, using ledger data to predict liquidity needs. Tron's TRX benefits from low-cost transactions, ideal for AI agent micropayments in entertainment dApps. Monero's XMR integrates AI for enhanced privacy, employing Ring confidential transactions analyzed by models to detect anomalies without compromising anonymity. Celestia separates data availability layers, aiding AI by providing modular blobs for large-scale datasets. Sui's object-oriented programming model accelerates AI simulations in DeFi, with parallel execution reducing latency. Beyond these, Bittencer's TAO embeds AI natively for collaborative intelligence. Near's Intent system lets AI interpret and execute user commands fluidly. Injective's ENJ WASM environment hosts bespoke AI modules for quantitative finance. Render's RNDR marketplace supplies GPU power for AI training. Ocean's Ocean facilitates data flows for models. The Graph's GRT speeds up queries for AI dashboards. Helix Chain governs AI agents with consensus tailored for intelligence. These integrations solve real pain points. Scalability via AI-optimized routing, data silos through tokenized sharing, and trust issues with verifiable computations. Market momentum shows AI-infused sectors up 67% in the last 30 days, with 40% institutional inflow spikes. Stablecoins like USDC serve as rails for agent economies, nearing $1 trillion in circulation. Real-world assets, RWAs, are tokenized with AI appraisals, while prediction markets leverage AI for signal aggregation. Projections indicate 3x, 7x gains for coins like SOL and Link, fueled by AI-driven utility. With these trends in mind, let's translate them into concrete strategies for generating monthly income. Strategy 1. Stake in leading AI projects like Bitensor. By locking TAO tokens in a subnet validator, you earn rewards based on the subnet's activity, typically 10 to 20% APY, distributed monthly. Set this up with a compatible wallet like MetaMask, connect to the Bitensor network via their CLI, and delegate to high-performing nodes for optimized yields. Strategy 2. Develop and deploy AI agents on Fetch.ai. Using their agent toolkit, code simple bots in Python for tasks like market arbitrage, then monetize by charging monthly subscriptions in FET tokens through platforms like Patreon or on-chain DAO, potentially netting $500 to $5,000 from 100 active users. Integrate with Cosmos SDK for deployment, and use ASI.1 for payment processing. Strategy 3. Contribute compute to Render Network. Install the Octane client, connect your GPU, and process AI rendering jobs on Solana. Earnings in RNDR are paid out monthly, based on completed Octane scores, with low fees ensuring profitability. Strategy 4. Invest and stake in AI-enhanced cryptos like Solana. Hold SOL in a Phantom wallet, delegate to validators using AI tools for selection based on uptime predictions, yielding 5 to 10% monthly compounded. Strategy 5. Produce AI-generated content on these trends. Leverage tools like Grok to draft in-depth articles or videos on Substack. Monetize with 5 $20 monthly memberships, plus affiliate commissions from promoting projects like Chainlink. Automate distribution with Zapier for passive scaling. Strategy 6. Participate in DePIN networks like Hella Labs, providing data or compute for AI agents and earning tokens monthly through governance rewards. Strategy 7. Engage in AI-boosted prediction markets via platforms like Kaido, where you bet on outcomes with AI-generated signals, withdrawing profits monthly. Strategy 8. Create and license AI templates, such as ZKVM scripts for agent privacy, sold on Gumroad for $19 monthly subscriptions targeted at crypto developers. Start with $1,000 across these, diversify to mitigate risks, and let compounding turn it into $1,000 monthly income over time. Of course, no discussion is complete without addressing risks and technical challenges. Crypto markets are notoriously volatile, with potential 50% drawdowns overnight. AI predictions help but can't eliminate black swan events. Technical hurdles include smart contract vulnerabilities, exploitable via re-entrancy attacks, or AI model biases leading to flawed decisions. Mitigate with audited code and diverse training data. Regulatory uncertainties, like potential bans on unverified agents, loom large. Centralization in compute resources persists, even in DePINs. Best practices. Always do your own research using resources like CoinMarketCap or Messari. Start small with $100, $500 investments. Diversify across assets like TAO, FET, and RNDR. Secure, with hardware wallets and two-factor authentication. Track taxes efficiently with tools like Coinly or CoinLedger. Monitor trends on X or Reddit communities for real-time insights. Prioritize projects with strong audits and community governance. For AI agents, implement KYA protocols to ensure compliance. Reinvest monthly rewards to compound growth, and maintain consistency rather than chasing hype. And there you have it. Einstein One Speed. A deep dive into AI crypto trends for monthly income in 2026. From Bitensor's innovative subnets to the agentic narratives reshaping economies, the potential is enormous. Choose a strategy, implement it step by step, and start building your future today. If this video added value, like it, Drop a comment with your top trend, subscribe for more content, and check the description for links to tools and projects. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.